Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the back cover and the camera lens glass on the Oneplus Nord 2 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone, eject the SIM tray, and follow with the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, apply heat around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is on the bottom of the cover. Gently lift the cover using a suction cup. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and gently pull out the back cover from the body. For the repair, there are few different replacement parts are available. You can select the camera lens with the frame or separate camera lens rings. If not, the back cover with the camera lens installed. If you are replacing only the camera lens, I recommend you go with the camera lens with the frame. In this repair guide, we are going to show you two different replacement methods. First, apply heat to the broken lens and gently pull out the lens by pushing from the rear side. If your lens has many cracks, gently pull out pieces and then clean the surface. Next, place and secure the new lens with adhesive. Follow the same steps for the other lens too. For the next method, apply heat to the lens frame from the rear side. And then gently push from the front side to remove the broken camera lens frame. This process will take time. Gently pull out the frame from the back cover. Next, place and secure the new camera lens frame with adhesive. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided Beko adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie the rear cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.